we're going to use WordToEPUB to create accessible math content. Here I just have 8 regular equations created with Microsoft Equation Editor. I'm going to click on WordToEPUB to create an accessible EPUB file from these equations. The WordToEPUB application starts, and I'm going to click on Advanced Mode. I'm then going to click on Math. I want to make sure MathML is checked. I'll then click on OK, and WordToEPUB will start making the EPUB out of the structured accessible Word document I've created. I'm now going to click on View EPUB to view the EPUB we've just created.
Here are 8 equations created using Microsoft's Insert Equation tools. Square root examples. Start root 3i end root plus 2i. Start root 3i plus 2i end root. Standard trig function examples. Sign left parenthesis 3i right parenthesis minus 2i. Sign left parenthesis 3i minus 2i right parenthesis. Fraction examples. Start fraction x plus y over x minus y plus 5/7 end fraction. Start fraction x plus y over x minus y end fraction plus 5/7.
You may notice that your math looks a little odd. If it does, there's a simple fix for this. You'll just go to the Settings. You'll click on Settings. They look like an upper lowercase a. You'll go down to Display. You'll have to scroll down and click MathJax. And your math should now look like normal math.